Florian Wirtz, the name that's been buzzing across Europe, is only 21 years old, but he's already the heartbeat of one of the most exciting teams in the world. Bayer Leverkusen under Xabi Alonso, a Bundesliga champion, a creative powerhouse, and someone who seems destined for greatness. But what if his next chapter was written at Anfield? What if Florian Wirtz become the player to define the new era at Liverpool? In today's video, we're going to break down why Florian Wirtz is not just a great talent, but the perfect player for Liverpool's football club. We'll explore his playing style, his mentality, the tactical fit under Arne Slot, and how he compares to past greats, and by the end you'll see why signing him might be one of the smartest moves Liverpool could make. In Germany, Florian Wirtz made headlines as one of the youngest debutantes in Bundesliga history. He broke into Bayer Leverkusen first team at just 17, becoming the youngest player to ever score for the club in the league. Since then, he's developed rapidly into a complete attacking midfielder. In the 2023-24 season, he registered an astonishing 18 goals and 19 Leverkusen to an undefeated league campaign under Xabi Alonso. But beyond stats, what makes Wirtz so unique is his playing style. He's always scanning, thinking 3 steps ahead, combining flair with discipline. His intelligence on the pitch makes him more than just a rising star. It makes him the kind of player who can shape an entire team's identity. With Jurgen Klopp stepping down after a legendary tenure, Liverpool are entering a new tactical phase under Arne Slot. Klopp's system was built around intensity, transition, and wide creativity. Most of the playmaking came from the wings and fullback like Salah and Trent, but Slot's approach is more controlled, positional, and central. He prefers a 4-2-3-1 or a variation of 4-3-3, where a true number 10 can influence the game in tight spaces and dedicate the rhythm in the final third. This is exactly where Wirtz excels. He's a creative midfielder who doesn't just float around, he controls the tempo, finds pockets of space, and applies pressure intelligently. In a Slot system that prioritizes smart pressing and positional play, Wirtz offers the perfect blend of creativity and tactical discipline. Wirtz's play style is the dream for any modern attacking midfielder. His vision is elite, he consistently picks out the right pass. Even under pressure, he scans the pitch consistently. Always aware of the space around him, he can break down low blocks with a single through ball or combine quickly in tight triangles. When it comes to dribbling, he's incredible, smooth and agile. His low center of gravity allows him to glide past defenders, and his press resistance under pressure is top tier. Similar to players like Bernardo Silva or Jamal Musiala, he also carries a real goal threat, whether it's arriving late in the box or taking long shot goals. He contributes directly to scoring opportunities. Perhaps most importantly, his mentality is exceptional. After suffering an ACL injury, Wirtz's comeback even stronger, a sign of his character, work ethic, and leadership potential. The number back up everything we see with the eye test. In the 2023-24 season, Wirtz ranks in the 91st percentile for shot creation, action, and expected assists across Europe's top 5 leagues. His average over 0.59 multiply assists per 90 minutes, elite for any midfielder. His progressive passes and carrier per 90 are among the best in Europe, showing just how involving he is in moving the ball into dangerous areas. His dribbling numbers are phenomenal too, with over 70 successful take-ons in the season. When you combine all these metrics, you get a player who doesn't just influence the game, he drives it. He's not just an accessory to it. Him surrounded by Liverpool's current forward line, Mohamed Salah making diagonal runs, Darwin Núñez creating chaos in the box, Cody Gakpo and Luis Diaz drifting wide. Florian Wirtz could have the perfect platform to thrive. His ability to find runners and combine quickly would create overloads and scoring chances almost every attack. Pairing him with Szoboszlai in the midfield could offer a blend of tactical brilliance and energy rarely seen in the Premier League. And with McAllister Sitting behind them, Liverpool would have one of the most balanced and creative midfields in Europe. Of course, there are challenges. First, the price tag. Florian Wirtz is demanded between 80 to 100 million, especially with interest from Bayern Munich and Real Madrid. There's also question of defensive balance, which isn't a ball winner or a defensive enforcer. He'll always need protection behind him to try, but in a system that shields him and gives him freedom in the final third, he can be transformative. Liverpool would need to invest not just in Wits but in the right sporting structure around him. If you're looking for comparisons, there are several interesting ones. He has the vision of timing of Mesut Ozil, the fluid movement and elegance of young Kai Havertz, and the dribbling and creativity of Philippe Coutinho, but with a more consistent final product. He's like the best part of each wrapped into one modern attacking midfielder, but the truth is Wits is carving out his own path and his blend of skill is rare, even in today's rich talent landscape. An honest Lord's tactical blueprint, Wits is a natural fit in a 4-2-3-1. He could operate centrally behind Nunes or Gakpo with Salah and Diaz flanking him. His link-up play and through-ball accuracy would feed the forwards consistently. Alternatively, in a 4-3-3 hybrid, Wits could play as the left side aide, drifting between the lines while McAllister anchors the midfield. The key is that slot values positional intelligence and quick vertical transitions, and Wirtz excels in both. His ability to combine with teammates and tight spaces, pressing high, admitting defensive contribution in the final third make him almost tailor-made for his next chapter at Liverpool. So is Florian Wirtz worth the hype? More than that, he might be one of the smartest long-term signings Liverpool could make. He's young, proven, tactically versatile, and already world-class. If he wants Red to dominate possession, control games, and maintain a pressing identity with more creativity through the middle, which is the player to build around. But what do you, which, how would you line up on the honest Lord? Let us know in the comments. Drop a like if you enjoyed the breakdown and hit that subscribe button for more football deep dives. Thanks for watching and